Woo! Woo!
You don't really get why I'm so pissed. Understand this. I'm an artist and I'm sensitive about my shit. Yes, I'm fragile.
Alright guys, right here at Walgreens, gonna see if they got that Rogue One exclusive Star Wars pops, so let's go. Alright guys, they have some new figures here. So they still have this wave. And they got a couple of the Doctor Strange. And they also have this guy. He doesn't belong here, but I think they have the Wonder Woman too. For the new Doomsday Build-A-Figure. They have new Halo figures. This bear. Another Punisher. Have an Iron Man. And Caps and Unmasked Panthers. Let's go ask the guy. Got those new die-cast medals. Poison Ivy, haven't seen her. Wonder Woman. Supergirl. Pretty cool. I actually like the way that looks. Pretty cool. They're pretty cool. They're kind of like the Secret Wars bubblers, but the DC. You got Lex Luthor right here, the Flash, and then the Joker, Robin, and they got Batman. Yeah, guys, they had nothing inside that Walgreens. Well, they got some new Marvel pops like the Spider-Man, which I need, but I'm just gonna wait a little bit because I'm kind of broke at the time being. So I thought they were gonna get their Walgreens exclusive Rogue One pops, but they didn't. So now we just gotta wait and wait and wait. Hi guys, we're right here at Walmart. Carly's cracking jokes at me. We're right here gonna see if we can find anything good. So let's go. They got the big one. The sculpt is pretty dope on this guy. $30. They have Walmart exclusive minifigures. Otso, little squid. So, pretty cool. No new Abomination wave yet. That Scarlet Witch. I don't really want her, but just want to see if I can find it. No, Power Rangers, Transformers. Yeah. Alright guys, look what I just found. I was missing this one from the last one. Now I kind of wish I would have got Akbar, but I don't know why they're green. I thought they were, her lightsabers were like like kind of grayish. Pretty cool. I'll do a review on her soon, but. No, I can't find any of the other small figures. But they took apart that pop display thing and they put all the pops on the top and all the Black Series figures up there too, but it's a mess right here. Alright guys, right here at Walmart in Visalia, gonna see if we can find anything cool or what we can find or what. Gold Goomba? Gold Goomba? No. Gold Goomba. No. Gold Goomba. No. Oh yeah guys, but this is the Walmart that I did score those Black Series figures early and get them at. But then I got any new Marvel Legends. No new Transformers. Ships. Oh, someone broke the U-Wing. Oh. Two-pack. Ooh. Good hands. Alright, I'm gonna look through this real quick. Guys, they do have an Admiral Akbar, but I don't think I'm gonna get him. I don't collect these, and I don't know. If I do, I know where he'll be. Right up here. Yeah, stay right there. But nothing else that's good. Noteworthy. No new DC figures either. Yep. Look what's on rollback. One of the pieces I'm missing from my collection. I'm waiting for this to get lower. This is the remnants of their forest fighting stuff. So, and it's, ooh, why is there a Kanan in here? Let me see if I can find something else cool in here. Ahsoka Tano too? Come on. Come on. Why is Kanan here? But no Ahsoka. Huh? Were there stormtroopers normally in this one? No. That's crazy. I don't know if there were these packs normally in there. So this, where are you? Mister. Hey guys, I did find the Luke Skywalker, but could not find the Ahsoka Tano, so somebody did swoop up on it, because this comes in this wave right here, and the Ahsoka. So somebody got it, but so I'm just gonna get the Luke. I don't have them yet. And only 18 bucks. I think I'll only pay 16 bucks. Guys, right here at Best Buy, gonna see if we can find that JD Marcus Phoenix Suns Pop, the glow in the dark Best Buy exclusive. Let's go. No way, guys. It's back. It's back again. The Joker Superman. Oh my god, that's hilarious. I never thought that I would see this anywhere. And for 30 bucks, I seen it at Marshall's, I think for 10 bucks, but they have a Dark Knight one too. Fucking guys, this shit is hilarious. I don't know how they're selling this here at Best Buy. Carly found the pops. But I have these ones. It's not the ones we're looking for. Just guys, right here at Marshall, you can see what kind of stuff we can find inside. Let's go. Trucks. They have some Transformers. The same ones over there, I think that I have. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, the same ones. And then they have all the little combiners. They have Megalugia. They have a bunch of them. I don't know what that is. I don't know what this is. Looks like Space Ghost. Huh. And we got this guy. The same one in the back of it. Marvel, Captain Marvel. Pretty cool. Yeah, we just got here to Toys R Us. Gonna see what's here. Let's go inside. I really kind of want to get this, but not for 25 bucks. I don't think they got any new pops, and they're like all the same. None. I need another one. I need a box replacement for my Chase one because it's kind of messed up. That one's messed up too. And then the NECA figures. These are Kristaps Porzingis and Russell Westbrook, Karl Anthony Towns. These are all the new rookie classes. See Paul George. Paul George's not rookie, but these are probably new. Amari Cooper. Oh, look at Kyrie. Russ. DeAndre. James Harden. They're making those cheap figures of the Halo things. Action figure is pretty cool, like the set and everything. I wouldn't mind getting this. Kaiju Pacific Rim figure looks awesome. Alright, they still got these guys. The regular one sold pretty quick, and they still got the 3-pack, but the 3-pack's way better because they're metallic. Pokemon. Nothing new. Cubone. I don't know what this guy is. Looks like a Alright guys, right here at GameStop. You can see what they got inside. See if they can give us any hints on what's coming out tomorrow. Oh, I'm not tomorrow, on Thursday. I didn't even know they had a GameStop exclusive version of Cam Newton. I wonder if they have other exclusives. It's like a retro jersey or something. They have another one. This girl's thing, that's really cool. Nothing good right here. Neat Manor. I got one pops too, but do they have an exclusive or no? Do you know, Carly, if they have an exclusive? Nope. We got a Chewy right here. I need him.
And if you're a Power Rewards Pro member, you'll get at least 20% less than new. So check out our pre-owned games, accessories, systems, and more and start saving today. Hit the slopes this winter with Steep, an action sports game set in the open world of the...
Alright guys, this guy here at Ross. See if they got any Black Series figures or any new toys or whatever they got. They didn't have anything in there toy-wise. It wasn't even worth me recording and wasting the space on my phone. Guys, just got here to the comic shop, Collector's Choice. Let's go inside. That's cool. So dope. A lot of icons. Uh-huh.
So dope. Everything, the detail on it just looks awesome. I want the Sora.
Alright guys, right here at Hot Topic, see what we can find. Alright, what up guys? I had to turn off the volume for the store because Hot Topic likes to blast their music loud as hell. So we could look right here at the Jaren Urso Hot Topic pop that they had. I didn't pick it up because I had already picked up the Target exclusive one and I think it's way better. But this Marcus Phoenix pop looks totally awesome. I really want to get them, but I kind of already have the other one, so But the Clayton Carmine behind him, I want him bad. And I also want a couple of the Locust drones to army build. But there's also a lot of cool things right here on Hot Topic. There's some other pops right here on the side. I also noticed that they had the new Hot Topic exclusive Nibbler, the flocked one, from Fantastic Beasts, I believe, the new Harry Potter film or whatever. He looks pretty cool, honestly. I didn't really like the glam shots, but when I seen him in person, the flocked and everything, he looked really, really cool. So the main reason why we came here to Hot Topic was not for this Gudentama egg, but was for the Steampunk Batman, which I'm about to pick up right now. This is a really, really awesome pop. I highly suggest you guys pick it up if you guys are going to get it. This is also the Mona pop from the Hawaiian movie. I do not know what it's about though. Back here at the weird colored Walmart. See if we can find any Black Series that I don't got.
Some Pokemon stuff. Gonna pick this bad boy up. We're gonna go ahead and gonna wait a little bit because I need to save my money for Thursday.
Oh, they got another Lando Akbar. Behind them, another Akbar.
Kind of look at some of this stuff.
Finn. Han Solo.
There's a Django Fett right here. I haven't seen one of these in a while.
Finn.
I gotta go look for him. I think I'm probably gonna put this guy away somewhere too so I can save him.
Got these Rogue One ships.
It's a girl from Rebels, isn't it? And they also have this R2-D2, more control, more intelligent.
Hasbro makes it.
Black Series, Big Old Fortress, DC, no new multiverse figures, and a garbage. Same.
You are not buying a light.
I don't know if those are new. Could check them right now, but it doesn't look like it.
Guys, just wanted to show you guys the pickups that I got today. So first, you guys saw that I picked up an Ahsoka Tano, 3 1/4 inch. I'll be reviewing that soon. Was looking for her, and also Farm Boy Luke, Black Series 6 inch. Wasn't particularly hunting them down before, but since I found them, Might as well have got him. And also, last but not least, my last but not least, my Steampunk Batman. A review will be coming soon. A nice review on this. As you can see, there's the back. Pretty cool. Alright guys, later. Way easier now that I fixed this setup like this, guys. Pick this box, cut the things out on the side, put 2 lamps on each side. I just gotta buy better bulbs, but in the works of that, but gotta get some LED bulbs, but still pretty good for what I got.